everyone, it's Nancy Vastine, and I'm back again with some more birds, but this is the finale. We are going to be done with them. Finished. Well, I did not like the way that this green bird turned out. Too glittery, too frou-frou. Nah, I didn't like it. So I painted another one today while off camera, and that's the way this one looks. Much better, huh? I did not like this one. Too many of the different colors of, yeah, it just did not turn out looking very professional. I didn't like it. So not gonna use that one, but I made a new one today. And that's about all I'm going to bling them up. I painted them and I put some of this glamour dust. It's ice crystal. It's white. I painted that on here. And I took the hooks off and I'm going to put them on the snowflakes. I'm waiting for my heat gun to heat up. And I do like the red bird. So I kept the red bird. I did put some more of this twinkling riders on him. Haven't got his wing hooked on yet, but I did glue the eye on it. I like these eyes. See, they look really real. Those eyes. I think they do. And I put one on this little guy, because he has one eye shut and one eye open. He's watching. He's pretending to sleep, but he's really not. Still haven't been able to find these back on the internet. I've scanned these other ones that I have into my computer, but I wanted, I don't know how I did these. I don't know if they came out as a pattern and I copied them, or if I copied them out on book paper through the printer. I don't remember. I remember doing these, and I think I did them with distress markers, because I was wanting to figure out how to use my distress markers with water. And I think that's how I colored these. I could be wrong. I could be very wrong. I don't remember. I know I was trying to practice my shading and my floating. And I don't remember. Guys. I don't remember. But anyway, it smells like my heat gun is heating up here. So I'm going to glue them on to I think they'll be cute on the snowflake. And they'll hang off of the tree, or whatever they hang off of. Might hang off a nail on my wall down here in the art room. I don't know. I might hang them upstairs off the wall. Or I might put those little suction cups in my window and hang them in my window. That would be interesting to hang in the window, don't you think? I might do that. Alright, let's see if this heat gun's heated up enough that I can put this wing on. Now don't tip over, heat gun. It's gonna tip over. So I guess I want the wing about right there, I guess. I've been trying to get the videos loaded up. They're coming very slow. That's why I painted these off camera. I just couldn't go through another day painting new. More of these birds. But they're cute. And thank you, Eileen. Thank you for showing us how to use plaster. It's very easy and really cool to use. Am I in frame here? Probably not. I usually am not. I'll try to get it in frame for you. Now, do I want the bird at an angle? Do I want him straight on? The snowflake? Do I want him off of the snowflake, flying in? What do I want, guys? Oh, I'm just gonna put him down. Okay. I hope they're not too heavy for these snowflakes. These are pretty fragile. What do you think, guys? Ooh. What do you think? I think it's cute. I think it's really cute. Excuse me just a minute. I'm going to have to turn this phone off. Sorry about that. So anyway, let's get these other two glued on here and call this done. Get her done. Get her done.
Hello? Anybody home?
Sorry about that. The answering machine came on. That was my mother-in-law. And I don't know how to edit that out. I'm so sorry. Oh, it looks really cute on there. It looks really cute. Oh, I like it. I wish I could show you. They're really cute. Let's glue the other one down. And there's just enough frou-frou on here for me. I don't need a lot of bling bling and frou-frou, and when you're not a frou-frou girl, it's really hard to become one. Yeah, I'm going to put him down a little further on the snowflake. And he's a partridge in a pear tree, 'cause he's got one eye sleeping, and oh, there's glue. Glue came all over. I have glue strings. It's okay. And there you go. There we go. Look at how cute. Oh, I love them. I love them. Oh, they're just darling. Alright guys, that's all, and I hope you like the birds, and I hope I've inspired you, and maybe you'll want to do some and go to the dollar store in your town and get you some snowflakes and put them in your arsenal, because you never know what you might want to make. I never dreamed I would be doing birds on a snowflake. Never thought of it in a million years. Thank you, Eileen. Thank you so much for the inspiration. Thank you for showing us how to use the plaster, and it opened my window to new and brighter things. Alright, thank you guys. If you like it, throw me a like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye-bye.